Hello guys, I'm pretty sure if anyone has a ZA, ZL, ZK Outlanders, everyone was looking for this SDA unit hidden menu. So because there are lots of settings you can do behind the screen. So I'm just gonna show how to get into the secret menu, this Mitsubishi head unit. So first of all, you switch on the ignition, let the screen to boot up. So press power button, get the display off, and press and hold the top left corner until you hear a beep and release, and press and hold the bottom right corner and release. So on here you can do your vehicle settings, vehicle type, destination, which area, which country you're from, and you can put those details, and the fuel type. Look, this is here, fuel type. You can go gasoline, right hand drive, left hand drive. This is right hand drive car. Destination is MMAL here, and set. And since I have reset some settings, so the screen goes blank and reboot the SDA unit, the Mitsubishi communication unit, which is radio. So if you want to do any more settings, you do the same procedure. Press and hold display off, and press and hold the top left corner. Once you hear the beep, release, and press and hold the top bottom right corner, sorry, and you hear the beep and release. So and also you can do camera settings. So you know these lines, I've seen on many cars the lines is offset, so you can go up and down or adjust the lines, and also you can see what software is in it, the what do you call the screen calibration, speaker check, so many settings. So mic check, HDMI check, but I would highly suggest some software settings, do not change them, because they can affect to the radio operation. But if you have any issues like radio screen freezing or cutting off, you can do a factory reset that doesn't affect to anything. So that's it. Yeah, I thought this quick video might help someone to do or check something on their own car. Yeah, yeah, thank you for watching. Just subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and just see many more videos. Thank you. Bye.